Hi, this is Ishfaq Khan, and in this video I'm going to tell you what is retention money in construction company, and this concept may apply to other contracting projects as well. Actually, the retention money is the portion of the payment that a client withholds from the contractor during a construction project, and this concept may apply to other projects as well. As a form of financial security, your amount is being withheld from your invoice value, and this amount will be given back to you once the project is completed. Due to that, you will complete this project, and once if this contract is complete, but if there is any defect or something, you have to correct that as well during that time period. But this depends upon the contract with your client. Now, let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose you have a contract with your client of 150,000 and the retention is 5%, and you will receive this retention after 6 months once the contract is completed. Now, your project is divided into two portions. One is 42,500 that you will receive during the project work, and this 7,500 you will receive once your project is completed. Now, suppose you have already started this project, and once you have completed the work of 45,000, you have invoiced that client. Now, what will happen? From your progressive invoice or that invoice of 45,000, 5% will be deducted, and your net amount due with the first invoice would be 42,750. Similarly, for the second invoice, again you have performed a work of 35,000, but when you will make the invoice, this 1,750, which is the 5% of this amount, will be deducted, and you will ask your customer or your client to pay you 33,250 at that progressive invoice. And now then the third invoice is of 70,000. You have performed the work of 70,000, but 5% will be deducted, and you will ask your client to pay you 66,500. Now, once the project is completed, you will also go to ask for the retention money. In accounting wise, at the time of progressive invoice, your receivable will be divided into two portions. One is of your progressive invoice. So this means that in the first invoice, your progressive receivable is 42,750 and retention receivable is 2250. So this means that your total work done has been divided into two portions, which is progressive receivable and retention receivable. Then again in the second invoice, progressive receivable and retention receivable, and the third invoice, progressive receivable and retention receivable. Actually, if we see the concept, you have performed the work of 45,000, only the timing difference, only there will be the timing difference. Your net amount due with the progressive invoice will be 42,750, and this 2250 would be that will be received once the project is completed after 6 months or 3 months as per contract with your customer. So in nutshell, your receivable is being distributed into two portions. You have performed the work of 150,000 in, of course, in progressive invoices, but your receivable is being distributed into two portions. One is your progressive invoice. This net amount is your progressive invoice receivable and retention receivable. Progressive invoice receivable and retention receivable. So that's how the retention works.